Welcome to PD Blowers. For 30 years, we have been supplying customers around the world with positive displacement blower and vacuum pump equipment. We maintain a large inventory of roots blowers and pumps, as well as replacement parts and accessories like silencers, valves, filters, gauges, and more. Popular products are available for purchase at www.pdblowers.com and are stocked at our 5 locations around the United States, so you can get the equipment you need fast. Our team of experienced application engineers is happy to assist you with selecting the right products for your system, tracking down hard-to-find equipment, and fulfilling your orders. Whether you're looking for replacement blowers and parts or turnkey system integration, our team has decades of experience working with pressure and vacuum systems across a wide range of industries. Some of our favorites include pneumatic conveying, soil remediation, multi-stage vacuum systems, custom equipment enclosures. We love solving challenges in any industry. If your process requires a special component or even a whole skid of components, we can build and assemble as needed. Our state-of-the-art production facility has all the tools needed for equipment fabrication. Application engineers are hands-on, working with our shop team to make sure each project is a success. Our toolbox includes large-scale material handling, MIG, TIG, and stick welding, high-definition plasma cutting, plate rolling, forming, CNC punching, a 60-foot industrial paint booth, and a UL-certified control panel shop. Our facility is located 45 minutes north of Atlanta in Gainesville, Georgia, and we would love to give you a tour. If you're ready to discuss your system needs, contact us today and speak directly with our application engineers. We look forward to serving you.